Hello friends! What if I told you that we can control the weather? For example, make colored rain fall from clouds. Cool, isn't it? And you can do this awesome trick at home from simple materials. For this, we need cup and water, shaving foam, dyes, and some pipettes. So, fill a jar with water, which we have up front. Now, we fill this jar with shaving foam. These are gonna be the clouds, just white and fluffy without any colors. Shaky, shaky, and then we just fill that out. Nice and fluffy. Now, we carefully pick up dye with our pipette and pour it onto the foam. And let's see what's going on. Let's take some red dye. Now we slowly can observe the beautiful effect of rain pouring out of the clouds. You can make several of these glasses and put different colors in different glasses and check out how this is falling and it's getting beautiful effect. Well, consider now you have become the master of the weather. Did you know that weather forecast first appeared when one radio station owner got caught in a rainstorm and decided that the padding with the forecast would be popular? And so it actually happened. So we have even more cool experiments in our channel, not only about weather, but a lot of interesting facts and even magic. Join us. We are waiting for you. And look at that.